Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to discuss topic number 1.1.4 Associative Property. Associative Property. Associative property says that if we can prove A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C for whole numbers, then whole numbers are said to have associative property. For example, if I take A equals to 2, B equals to 12 and C equals to 22, then A plus B plus C equals to 2 plus 12 plus 22 equals to 2 plus 12 is 14 plus 22 equals to 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3, 36. If I do A plus B plus C, that is equals to 2 plus 12 plus 22 equals to 2 plus 12 plus 22 is 34 equals to 2 plus 34 is 36. We got LHS equals to RHS. In general, for whole numbers, that is starting from 0, 1, 2 up to infinite, whole numbers, for any three whole numbers, any pair of whole numbers, A, B and C, will satisfy A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are whole numbers. A, B, C are whole numbers. Hence, whole numbers satisfy associative property. Now let's check for integers. Associative property for integers. Integer starts from 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. It goes to plus infinite and other side, that is minus infinite. Now if we check associative property, that is we need to check A plus B plus C, does this equals to A plus B plus C or not. Now let's take example, that is A equals to 2, B equals to minus 12 and C equals to minus 6. LHS, left hand side, that is a plus b plus c, that is a is 2 plus b is minus 12 plus c is minus 6. We know that plus into minus is minus, so this is equals to 2 plus into minus is minus 12 plus into minus is minus 2 minus 12 is minus 10 minus 6. If you are facing difficulty in addition or subtraction, you can see lecture 1. That in that lecture I have explained the subtraction and addition of integers in very simple way. Now minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. Now if I check right hand side, this is equals to minus 16. Now right hand side, that is a plus b plus c, that is 2 plus minus 12 plus minus 6, 2 plus minus 12 plus into minus is minus 6, 2 plus minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18. Now plus into minus is minus 2 minus 18 equals to minus 16. We got right hand side also minus 16. LHS equals to RHS. Hence, for any three pair of integers, a, b, c will satisfy the property a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. Hence we can say that integers are associative. Now let's check the theory part. They have taken one example, that is a equals to 3, a equals to minus 3, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 7. A equals to minus 3, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 7. A plus b plus c equals to a, this is plus into minus is minus, 1 minus 7 is minus 6, plus into minus is again minus, that is 3 minus 6 equals to minus 9. Now here minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 and plus into minus is minus 7. Here plus into minus is again minus, so minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. So LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence they have concluded that addition is associative for integers. In next lecture we will see topic number 1.1.5, additive identity. Thank you.